XTools Pro is one of the most popular extensions for ArcGIS Desktop end users. In this video, we will demonstrate a practical example of using the XTools Pro Concave Hull tool. Let's open a map containing lots of point features. Each point represents a separate tree mapped in the process of large-scale topographic survey. Our goal is to make polygons from these points. The polygons will allow us calculating forest areas and also correctly displaying forests at the smaller scales. Each point on our map has an ID of woodland that it relates to. We render the map according to the IDs. Now we can approximately see what result we need to obtain. The appropriate tool to get the forest polygons is Concave Hull in XTools Pro. Opening this tool from the XTools Pro Analysis Tools menu. In contrast to the older Convex Hull tool, the new Concave Hull tool allows creating more detailed and exact hulls for input features. For our purpose, after specifying input and output datasets, we need to select a Group By field. This option allows creating separate hulls for each group of input features. For the first trial, we set level of detail as 20%, running the tool with specified parameters. The new hulls have been created. As you can see, they are detailed not enough, so we need to increase level of detail. Running the tool once again with the increased level of detail, this time 50%. The new hulls look much better now. The polygon shapes more precisely follow the input points. However, as there are glades in the forests, we need to exclude such treeless areas from our hulls. Creating hulls once again, slightly modifying the parameters. We open the Tool dialog window and select the Group By field. Level of detail remains the same, 50%. This time we use an additional option to allow holes in the hulls. Running the tool to create new hulls. The new result looks much better. Let's zoom closer to the hulls to see their shapes and more details. We can see the new hulls can be considered acceptable for further use. In addition, we can smooth the hull polygons and also make buffers so that forests look even better on the final map. So, as we can see from this example, the Concave Hull tool allows creating hulls with precise detailed shapes, managing and specifying required level of detail for output hulls, making holes in the hulls, excluding certain areas inside hull polygons. XTools Pro is the #1 productivity suite for ArcGIS community. Visit our website to learn more and try XTools Pro free for 14 days.